How to make money from Treasury bond. We're going to use an IFB that was issued this year in September, and it is a 21-year bond and it's tax-free. Now, an IFB stands for an infrastructure bond. The maturity date for this particular bond will be on 18th August 2042. Now, the coupon rate or the interest rate is 12.737% per annum. Now, let's say you invest 100,000. Coupons for this particular bond are paid every March and September. Now, for this case, you're going to receive 6,368.5 every March and September. Now, as for the principal, 50% of what you had invested in, which is 100,000, you're going to get it back on 1st September 2031. And the remaining 50%, you're going to get it back on 18th August 2042, which is on the maturity date. That is your principal. Now, you do not have to hold this bond for 21 years. You can sell it after 1 year, 2 years, or even 3 years. Now, let's say after 3 years, you want your money back. You can sell this bond in the secondary market through a licensed broker. Now, depending on the market conditions, you can either sell it at a higher price or at a lower price. Now, every bond has a price that you have to pay when you're buying it. For this particular bond, when it was issued in the primary, 1 unit of it was at par, which was 1 unit was at 100 shillings. Now, if you want to invest 100,000, it means there are 1,000 units in 100,000. So you'll just pay 100,000 for this particular bond. Let's say after 3 years, the market favors you and the price goes to 105 per unit. You have 1,000 units. It means you're going to make 105,000 out of that. Now, this will be your selling price. Now, if you want to know how much you made, it's just the selling price, which is 105,000 minus the 100,000 that you bought it with. So you're going to make some 5,000 out of buying and selling of this particular bond, plus the interest rates that you would have received during the time that you had invested in the Treasury bond. And this is how people make money without lifting a finger and in their sleep. Stay tuned for more tips.